Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the new and latest COVID-19 test kit. So I'm gonna open this up. We got it for free. 4 of the kit for free, so through USPS. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and now open this up. See what it look like. So each box has 2 test kit. Result in 15 minutes. So I got 2 of this instruction. One's in English, the other one in Spanish. There's the expiration date. Got the cotton swab. And then a solution. So this is adhesive tip. You're supposed to remove it. So you're gonna drop 6 of those solution into this top circle right there. And then you're gonna rotate your nose 3 times and then put it here. It's top, bottom. And after that, you're gonna seal it and for 15 minutes, and then you're gonna get the result. 2 bar, red bar mean positive, 1 mean negative. And that's it. You need to break this and put it into the test kit. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.